Welcome to Inspire Ignite, where we empower you to turn your dreams into reality. Today we're exploring an exciting opportunity in the digital realm, making money online with AI transcription. Picture this. You're stuck in a job that's going nowhere, or perhaps you're grappling with financial challenges that seem insurmountable. It's a common predicament, but there's a silver lining. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our solution, AI transcription. Now you might be wondering what AI transcription is. Well, it's a technology that uses artificial intelligence to convert spoken language into written text. It's like having your very own personal stenographer that never misses a word. With the rapid advancements in machine learning and natural language processing, AI transcription tools have become incredibly accurate, capable of understanding various accents, dialects, and even industry-specific jargon. But what does this mean for you? It means you can harness this technology to make money online. Say goodbye to the days of tedious manual typing or struggling to keep up with fast-paced conversations. With AI transcription, the heavy lifting is done for you. The tool listens, transcribes, and even checks for errors, freeing up your time to focus on what really matters, earning money. No more tedious typing or struggling to keep up with fast-paced conversations. AI does the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on earning. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from someone who's already seeing success with AI transcription. Meet Alex, a regular guy who decided to give AI transcription a shot. He had no prior experience. Yet within weeks, he was making over $1,200 a month. Alex's story is a testament to the power of AI transcription and how it's opening doors to financial freedom. Impressive, right? Now you're probably wondering how you can get started. It's simple. Follow these steps. Firstly, immerse yourself in the world of AI transcription. Begin by researching various AI transcription platforms. Look for ones that are user-friendly, provide accurate transcriptions, and offer fair compensation. Deciding on a platform that fits your requirements is the first step to your online money-making journey. Next, practice makes perfect. Transcribing different types of audio will help you improve your skills. Start with simple, clear audio files and gradually move on to more complex ones. This will help you get a hang of the tool and prepare you for a wide range of transcription jobs. Once you're comfortable with the platform and have honed your skills, it's time to start applying for transcription jobs. There are numerous online job boards where companies post their requirements. Be proactive and apply to as many as you can. Remember, every rejection is a step towards a successful job application. Alternatively, you might want to consider offering your services to businesses in need of transcription. Small businesses, podcasters, and video creators often require transcription services. Reach out to them, offer your services, and negotiate a fair price. Above all, remember that consistency is key. The more consistent you are in applying for jobs and offering your services, the higher your chances of securing work. And the more work you secure, the more money you make. In addition, always be on the lookout for opportunities to grow your income. This could be through taking on more complex transcriptions, offering additional services such as proofreading, or even starting your own transcription service. And there you have it. Making money online with AI transcription is within your reach, even if you're starting from scratch. Remember, your journey to online money making is a marathon, not a sprint. It might take some time, but with determination and hard work, you'll soon be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So start today, and before you know it, you'll be making money online with AI transcription. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Today we've journeyed together through an exciting new frontier of earning potential where technology meets tenacity and dreams can transform into tangible success. AI transcription is more than just a buzzword. It's a beacon of hope for those seeking financial freedom and a new way of life. Whether you're an early riser or a night owl, with AI transcription you can work at your own pace, from the comfort of your home, and still make a significant income. You don't need any prior experience or fancy degrees. All you need is a willingness to learn and the drive to succeed. This is more than a simple solution. It's an opportunity to turn the tables on your financial predicament, a chance to create a new narrative for your life, one where you're in control. So go ahead, ignite your passion and start making money online today.